When you get mad after you fall.
It's Max! Max! It is Max! A new little Maxie. Okay.
Talking to the dogs at work.
Coco, oh my god, please. Cokie.
No. No. Oh, no. No. Oh. Come on.
Hello. Ooh, it's mad windy today. Trash is blowing everywhere, so watch out for your eggs.
So I'm like, oh, look at this cute little lab just kind of hanging out. I'm like, wait, is he decapitated or what's going on? Oh, no.
What?
Huh?
Don't leave me here. My house. My dog. Still fast as boy. Come get some.
Are you new here? Yeah. Are you serious right now? Hey, bud. You got some mail there? Oh, you put it on the bed. She's out there eating shit! What are you doing? It's so hard going out there! What are you doing? Get out there!
We found your kitty.
Right between his legs. Did you get that?
Yeah.
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.
Hello.
Huh?
Hello. Hello.
No, wait, hang on, stop, you don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy, don't do it, no!
Don't even think about it. No, 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 no. Ah, God. Oh no. Oh no, that's
Oh my god, that's like my whole finger. Oh my god. Stop, stop. What? Stop. I'm in your stomach. I can. Oh my god, oh my god.
Where are you getting pizza? You cannot come inside with 2 slices of pizza. Eat your pizza outside.
So funny.
You're gonna rip the Shaggy. You're pulling me in the chair, Shaggy. Shaggy.
Open my door and there's a cat and I look over here and it's a kitten. I think that's her mother. Hi. Can I touch you? Oh my god.
Ready, Mom? Here are the victims. Free. Say love. Come here.
When just a taste is not enough,